In this week's discussion, the steps for launching data-driven instruction are all about discussion. You need to analyze data, whether that be a monthly assessment like Evaluator Maps that we have here in Clark County, or just a grade level standard assessment that you have. It's really important that that conversation is happening, and the conversation needs to be non-judgmental, and it needs to be reflective in its discussion, because that's the only way that you are going to improve instruction and then in turn improve achievement. The tools that I liked, number one, are a calendar. I think that calendaring out the assessments are really important. It's great for long-range planning. You have to be flexible, but in order to long-range plan, almost the very first thing you need to put on there is when the assessments are going to be, especially if they are those monthly assessments or a standardized test like SBAC, so that you know when to teach each standard and how in-depth and how long you will have to teach and then reteach it. And the other thing that I really liked was the assessment tool in order to record all the data. I think this is really important. I think color coding is super important. I used to do this when I taught first grade, and we had our different Ames web tests and Discovery, and all of those things, interim tests, whatever you'd like to call them. They were all there, and we color coded them, and it was really useful when grouping students, making those flexible groups, especially if certain kids needed something in phonics, but they didn't need it in decoding or sight words, things of that nature. So I think that was really a great tool, and I really, really like that one a lot. And that is my week 2 video. Thank you very much.